I think in Wales we've got a very strong sense of the role of public services in people's lives. And I think that is what makes us distinctive from what goes on elsewhere in the UK, and like the spirit of Nye Bevan, you know, and that kind of collectivism. However, it can mean that it can result in an approach which could be described as sort of paternalistic. You know, we know what's best. It's our role to deliver these services for our community, and almost a sense that people need to be kind of looked after for their own good. Maybe quite, I think in Wales we tend to have quite a risk-averse culture, and I think that does go hand in hand with that, you know, that role of the public service, whereas perhaps certainly in England they've broken that up, they've gone down the route of personal budgets and in a way contracted out the risk. So, you know, there's pros and cons, you know, on whichever approach, but I think there is a way of still having that, you know, that safety net, but enabling people to be creative, to be in control, to make choices over their own lives, to fulfil their goals and aspirations. And direct payments is a key tool for that. I think, as we heard from, you know, Professor Luke Clements, direct payments is a means to an end, and that end is independent living. And I think, you know, certainly today, in today's conference, that excitement around that and that opportunity, that potential was, you know, very much in evidence.